What's up, guys? It's me. Hey. So, here's something that I would like to say. So, here's my fidget cube. It's an actual legit fidget cube. Unlike, freaking 99% of the world has. Everyone who owns a fidget cube, except for 2 people at my school, have crappy bootleg fidget cubes. And they're cruddy. And, geez, I dropped it. So everyone has these cool fidget spinners, yeah. The thing is, the spinners suck for fidgeting. They're more of a toy than anything, which baffles me as to why they're still called fidgets. I remember when freaking fidget spinners were a little YouTube DIY thing. Where'd that go? So many kids are playing with them instead of actually using them to fidget at my school. They got banned. It's freaking ridiculous. But as I was saying before, with fidget toys, don't be an idiot. Honestly, the official one will run you a few more bucks, but it's quality. And it's Denver local, so you'll be helping Denver causes, I think. I think there's also a rainbow one. Yeah. But I'll give you guys the link in the description for actual Anti-Labs fidget cubes. You know, the one you saw on Kickstarter? Yeah, so I'll post those. And honestly, these are way better for fidgeting anyway. The Switch isn't as loud as some other Switches that I've played with on fidget cubes. And honestly, it just has the best build to it compared to other cruddy fidget cubes. Cruddy fidget cubes. Sounded like I said karate fidget cubes. That's not what I said. Anyway, so links in the description for not crappy, legit fidget cubes from Anti-Labs. Looking. I can't get it to focus, but you'll know it's a legit fidget cube if it has a little inscription on the cranky spinner thing that says fidget cube with the that car's broken with the fidget. Yeah, it has the words fidget cube inscribed on it, and it has the Anti-Labs logo. So catch you guys later. Really just fell.